Hey, what's up guys? My name is Cece and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the 2019 Sinful Colors Halloween collection. Now what sets this apart from any other collection that I've seen so far is that they are black light reactive, which just means that when you go to a party, a rave, or if you have a black light, they will glow under that black light, and I feel like that's really unique and that's very interesting. These retail for $1.95. There are 8 colors in this collection and they do correspond with each other. There are 4 neon colors and then there are 4 glitter top coats that correspond with the colors in this collection. And I will tell you guys my thoughts and we're going to get into the swatches. So without further ado, let's get started. So with all my swatches, I will be using a base coat and a top coat, and I will be putting that in the description down below. The first color up in this collection is called Witch Please, and it's a very pretty neon pink. Despite this being a pretty neon pink, which is very surprising for me because pink isn't my favorite color, this is a 3-coater nail polish, unfortunately. However, I tend to be more lenient on polishes that are cheaper than pretty much brands that are not as expensive, seeing as the formulation and all that isn't going to be as good as some indie brands. So just keep that in mind, that this definitely is a 3-coater. The next color in this collection is called Glow For It, and it's a very pretty pink topper that corresponds with Witch Please. It's very unique and it has not only pink, but if you look closely, it has little gold flecks in it that bring out the nail polish as well. And the cool thing about this is the topper is also black light reactive, so yeah, that's pretty cool. The next color in this collection is called Witch's Brew. Now this is a very pretty neon green, and surprisingly this only took 2 coats to be opaque on me, which is very surprising considering the first swatch that I did of Witch Please was a 3-coater. And now we're on to the next one, which is called Witch's Gaze. And this one corresponds with the color Witch's Brew. This one is a very pretty green topper that also brings out that green in the nail polish. And again, it is black light reactive, just like the other ones, which I think is very pretty. Now we're on to the next shade, which is called Techno Violet. It's a very pretty neon purple, and this one shocked me as well because it was definitely a 2-coater. Now out of this collection, my favorites for the neons are in this order: Blue in the Dark, then it's Techno Violet, then it's Witch's Brew, and then it's Witch Please. The next shade in this collection is called Cyber Witch. This one, if you couldn't tell, is correspondent to the shade Techno Violet, and it's a very pretty purple topper. Now for the glitter toppers, my favorite ones in this order are Glow For It, Magic Hack, Cyber Witch, and then Wicked Gaze. And the last neon shade in our collection is called Blue in the Dark. It's this very pretty light neon blue. And if you guys couldn't guess, blue is definitely my favorite color. This was definitely opaque in only 2 coats, which is just great. And last, but definitely not least, we have Magic Hack, which is the last shade in the collection that we need to review. And it's a very pretty blue sparkly top coat that corresponds with the color Blue in the Dark. And that's pretty much it for all of my swatches. Make sure you guys like and comment which color in this collection was your favorite. I told you guys mine. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!